This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes, my soul it read. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown. Me hear Jah voice in river sound, and every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground. Fog. Let the chimes sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when my pass, me ask one plea. Bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone, just earth and breeze and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. With all my soul and full respect, yes, Jah, me walk direct. Before you run, stop. Listen where you stand. Every land is holy land. The vapors drift like early morning mist. Wind chimes sing in soft stereo. Nyabinghi drums beat like slow, steady heartbeats. Before me speak, before me move, me feel peace in my chest. Them talk of war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest, me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest, flow like tide. When Babylon roar, I'm still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When I'm lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come on, wide it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow like tide at dusk. Chimes ring out truth without a fuss. Nyabinghi chant true rhythm blessed. Me feel the peace in my chest. So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true how me live, that strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess. Jah bless. Jah. No matter what Babylon bring, my old a song, my heart still sing.
Love set your friend. We the love set the fire. Listen, cause roots want human. Me born from clay, me shaped by rain. Me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me ear still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide. From valley floor to mountain heights. In every beat, in every tree, the ancestors still walk with me, yes, Jah, eternally. Them teach for shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king. Me chant the line from which me spring. My language crack, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from fallen tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. It whispers stories never old. Me carry drum, me carry song. My roots remind me where me belong. Oh Jah, my roots stay strong. Let the echo bring back time. Chime sing low like sacred rhyme. Nyabinghi beat remind I soul. Me rooted deep, me fully whole. So tell the youth, don't walk alone. Your blood is book, your skin a throne. The knotted crown from colony, but where the roots Jah give to me. And when we're gone, my spirit rise through banyan tree and open skies. Cause I and I may truly be a branch of one eternal tree. Roots run through me eternally. Before we move forward, we give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. Before we move forward, we give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. Stand firm, my brother. Don't let the shadow hide your fire. Your light never fail. They build their towers made of stone, but I rise with roots alone. No palace high, no kingdom grand can move the truth where I now stand. I've seen the lies that wear a crown. I've heard the silence break me down, but in the quiet I heard a sound. Jah whispered deep beneath the ground. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. One drop beat in my soul, reggae fire keep me whole. Ooh, Jah, you make I bold. I don't follow where money lead. I sow the word, I plant the seed. They chase shadows, feed their pride, but I chant and stay inside. This heart, no fear, no evil path. It beat with thunder, burn with wrath. Not of hate, but holy flame, to cleanse the soul, not bring shame. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. With my drum and sacred song, I've been righteous all along. Yes, I stand strong. Echo deep like river cry. Skank it slow beneath just sky. Let the bassline pull you near. Chant down every wicked fear. I walk alone, but not alone. Jah is the rock, the cornerstone. When the storm come test my way, I kneel and still give thanks and pray. This journey long, the road is steep, but Rasta soul will never sleep. We shine like sun, we bloom like tree. From chains to chants, we're finally free. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. Rastafari be my guide. With our soul I never hide. Ooh, Jah, lift me high. No shadow, no fear. Stand firm. Jah near. Yes, I. You'll hear the truth just sent in the whispers whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talk in ancient code, me feel Jah presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin, Jah voice comes slow in the wind. The whispers in the wind, truth so clear. Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, I me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope. Me nah climb tower to find the king, me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy, me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky, by every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise, floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin, just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow, let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I man grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf, let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong, been singing since creation song. No need for rush, no need for spin, Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen. Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters where they grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow, me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No noise, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find not come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone, in stillness me no feel alone. They move for sure, me move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, me trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creep. Ooh, Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse, slow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me trot slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise.
Me nah walk alone. Jah like lead the road. Every step me carry code. Me walk with light, though road get dark. Me soul still blaze like flaming spark. Me nah need spotlight or stage, just wisdom passed down from the sage. Them try distract with nice and gold, but me heart stay warm, my mind stay bold. My part no fast, but still feel right. Me never stray, me walk with light. Walk with light, step by step. Even when the world forget, one drop beat and Jah inside guide me soul through darkest night. Yes, me walk with light. My eyes open wide to signs, my ears tuned deep to sacred lines. Nature whisper, truth so loud, but Babylon hide it with crowd. My trod soft, but voice stay firm. My spirit no sell, my soul no squirm. Each lyric me sing, each drum me strike is prayer upon rhythm, chanting life. Walk with light, no need to fight. Let Jah justice shine so bright. Me not blind, me not tight. Me live free with inner sight. Oh Jah, me walk upright. Let the rhythm slow your pace. Let the echo cleanse your space. When the night feel heavy, tight, just remember, walk with light. Me no care if me walk one way, long as Jah guide me every day. Some follow trends, some follow crowd. Me follow clouds and chant out loud. Me no rush, me no fear. Me walk by faith, not what appear. Me step with heart, me step with trust. In Jah we move, in Jah we must. Walk with light, keep it high, even when tears fill your eye. Every burden, every plight get lighter when you walk with light. Yes, Jah, my soul take flight. Whoa, try, still rise. One step, true skies. Me walk
palm trees, dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high, no worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand, freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody, feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore, smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go, moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Yeah, yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me, on this wave of harmony. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me, on this wave of harmony.
Jump, swallow, yellow brown, tell a story. Them walk before I, some walk with care. Every route tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me, even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding I through right and wrong, through shadow deep and history. Me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With barefoot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep, in every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release, them chants still bring me heart to peace. Ooh, Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll
like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key, the roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jawan beside me flow. Me build my life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand, so next you'd rise and take me hand. Yes, I me root in Jaland. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self, me walk for y'all.
Ishi, just speak. Nothing noise, nothing noise. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me here with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust did bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key, the truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave. Nyabinghi chant true, leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within. Me overstand from wind begin. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend, and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flows from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe here. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
can